Modify the management network on switch 2, switch 4, and switch 5 to the 172.16.0/24 network. Use admin PC to remote into the devices and make the change. Ensure you remove the network 192.168.0.0/24 from all interfaces. Start by accessing admin PC. SSH into switch 2. A check shows that the interface is an SVI for VLAN 10. To accomplish the task, we will be using a secondary IP. The reason for this is so that we do not lose connectivity to the device. Do this for switch 4 as well. The instructions say to include switch 5, but during this recording, I discovered that the SVI was down. I promise I tested before release. So this should be skipped. Return to the admin PC and change the IP on interface gig 00. Don't use a secondary. SSH into switch 2 on the new network. To remove the 192 network, simply issue the IP address command using the 172 network and no secondary. Return to switch 4 and do the same. You can see that there is only one IP, and that is the new network.